Whenever I'm traveling or doing a local city tour, I like to stay comfortable and keep my pockets empty, and that is why I always carry with me a sling bag. In this video, I'm gonna show you what I carry with me inside this urban EDC sling bag by tomtoc and why this has been my best companion whenever I'm traveling or on the move during a city stroll. So let's start. Alrighty, so before we begin, let me take a quick moment to say hi if you're new onto this channel. My name is Ayan and here I talk about tech, travel and transform, and today specifically I'm gonna be showing you my urban EDC sling bag by tomtoc. This has been a game changer for me and I have been carrying this bag for almost 2 years now. I really love this, I really enjoy it. It has so much space, so much thing that you can carry inside this with you. And today I'm gonna show you everything that I have with me in this bag today. All my EDC gears, all my items, especially when I'm traveling or doing a city stroll. So let me quickly shift you to the overhead camera and we'll take a look inside. Alright, before I start showing you what's inside this bag, let me quickly mention that this is not a sponsored video. I bought this bag with my very hard earned money. Now that's being out of this place, let's start with the exterior. So this bag is a really elongated sling bag, which I really like because you can just put it in the front and just put it in the back equally. And here is a small branding tomtoc. This is an urban sling bag in white color. White color is not the best, as you can see it gets dirty easy, but it really looks also great. So that's there. Talking about material, the material that tomtoc use is called Cordura ballistic nylon, and this is a really great material. Let me also quickly show you how it look inside the macro lens. So this is the ballistic nylon material that tomtoc mentioned. And talking about the zips are by YKK, which is like the industrial standard, and it's really great to see the YKK zippers. The tomtoc branding, as I mentioned, is over here. It's not very minimal. I don't really dislike it, but it's good to see the bags with the no brandings these days. Over here we have two loops, and I'll talk how I'll use these loops later in the video. And on the back you can find one zipper, and this is the buckle that the tomtoc is providing. I'm not really a huge fan of this buckle because nowadays a lot of magnetic buckles are coming in sling bag, but this one has been really tested with the time and this doesn't go anywhere, so it's not a bad deal at all. So let's start with the back pocket first, because this is the pocket that is most closest to you when you are slinging this bag on your body. So that's why you can put the most valuable item over here. And usually when I'm traveling, my passport goes in here, but when I'm just in my city, I just carry my wallet. This is a slim wallet by a company called Alpaca. I'll probably make a separate video about it, but this is a sleek wallet where you can carry a couple of cards, some cash and an ID. So when I'm just traveling locally, that's what I do. But when I'm traveling this with this bag internationally, I usually put my passport over here. And there is another zip on the front, as you can see from here. And this zips comes with actually an attached key holder, and that's where I'm carrying my orbit key organizer. I have shared the setup in a separate video. You can watch, the link will be in the description. But yeah, this is really solid, and inside you can see that there is a pouch where you can keep your keys, and that's where it goes. It doesn't have a lot of space out there, but it's still good enough. So apart from that, I carry a hand sanitizer. So currently I'm having this sanitizer by Saniola. It is really good. And last but not the least, I carry a small microfiber cloth because I have prescription glasses, and usually I'm photographing. This comes really handy, so that all goes in the front. As I mentioned, the zippers are all YKK, and this has a rugged texture to it, so the zippers are really good and really high quality. Now let's talk about the main compartment, and it will show you the main reason why I carry this bag. So if I unzip it, you can see there is a lot of space inside, and this reveals the reason why I usually go with this sling, because this is the only sling in the market which is of this size but still carry an iPad mini, and that is my tablet of the choice. I have also shown this in my backpack video. I use this device for everything. With the Apple Pencil I can make notes, I can draw on the go, and usually check emails, YouTube, all sort of things. So this bag, even though it looks really small, but it can carry a full-size iPad. It can also carry a Nintendo Switch, and that's how tomtoc has been marketing it. And when I'm not carrying an iPad, I can also carry a DJI OM6 gimbal for video and photo stabilized, and that can also goes in there in this compartment at the back. So this is really great, really amazing. And let's talk about the front compartment. Here you can see there are two organizations, and over here I carry my MagSafe power bank. This is the 10,000 mAh. This attached to my phone via MagSafe, and yeah, that's what I usually carry. But I also carry a small InCharge X cable just in case, because it has all the ports, USB-C, Lightning, USB-A, and all sort of things. So this stays over here. In the next compartment, I have my portable gaming console. It's by a company called Anbernic, and this one has all the retro games. I probably will make a short video or a reel about it. You can check on my channel. But yeah, this one is really fun, especially if you're transiting in a metro, in a bus. You can play a lot of games. You can also store external games with the help of a memory card, and this one is really great. I picked up this device in Thailand. So yeah, really passes time when you are on the move. But yeah, keeping it aside for now and moving to the next thing. And after the organization, you comes to this compartment, and over here, this is something that I really started to like. This is a device that I recently picked in Singapore. It's actually a portable fan by a company called Jisoo Life. I'm not sure if it's a Thai or a Chinese company, but this is a really powerful and really sleek brushless DC fan, and it really comes handy, especially in the humid environment. If you're in Southeast Asia, you really can't go out without a fan these days. And as you can see, it has a small display here which will show the fan speed, and with the help of this dial you can increase the speed. And yeah, this is really cool. I'll turn it off, and because this is really sleek, it easily fits inside the sling bag, so you can carry it with you on the go. So yeah, that is another item that I have with me. Apart from that, I have this sort of a handkerchief which is basically for sweat and cleaning camera lenses. I have a few business cards over here, and last but not the least, I have my trusty CRKT everyday carry squid knife, which I always have with me. And yeah, that's all for things that goes inside. But one last thing that I wanted to show you, that there are these two compartments on either side of the bag, over here and over here. And what I have done is on this one I have put a carabiner, and I have a small water bottle with me which I got from Muji, and this is easily attached over here like this. So it becomes a small setup where you can carry at least 1/2 glass of water with you while on the go. And yeah, overall this is still a great bag for me. I know this has been out for a really long time and people really like it, especially in the EDC and sling bag community. But I really wanted to make a video about this for a long time, because this has been a trusted partner for a very long time for all my trips since many years. Alright, so that was all for this video. Hope you really enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. If you have any question, do leave it down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer it. I'm doing a lot of giveaways on my Instagram lately, so do follow me there. Link is in the description. And on that note, I'm gonna see you in the next one.